I'm going to be doing some repair work on the putty. Hey guys, how you doing this morning? I am going to be working on an old window. I collect old windows and I do up heaps of stuff with them, and I'm going to be doing some repair work on the putty. So when you buy old windows, often the putty around the edges is all sort of broken or falling out, and it will need to be repaired to hold the glass in. So thought I'd jump on and just show you how easy it is to fix them up, and then you can watch as I do a couple of lives during today and tomorrow probably, and make something out of this window. So first of all, the product I like to use is this one here, Sally's Putty Special Putty. It's a premium linseed oil blend, and with your putty you want to make sure that when it comes, I've just bought this one, it's got a little seal like wax paper thing on it. Make sure that you keep that so that you can put that back over the top when you're storing it. And you can see that the putty is sort of soft and pliable, and it actually feels really nice. So that's how it should feel when you go to work with it. It should feel soft, pliable, and really easy to work with. I usually like to take a bit out and then pop the lid back on what I'm not using. So just take some out, pop the lid back on, and always put that wax paper back on top just to stop, because it can form a skin. Along here, this part here, this is still pretty good, so I don't need to dig it out, but along the other three edges I've had to actually take out the putty. I just started on a little piece here before. Now the easiest way I find to do it is to take a little bit of your putty, roll it slightly, and then you want to push it into the glass and along the edge. So it sort of forms like a little bit of a bank. It goes down at a slight angle when you're doing it. Now I've just got a popsicle stick. I find these are really handy, and I like to just smooth it over. So basically the gap or the angle, just to give you some sort of context, is pretty much the width of a popsicle stick. So if I'm doing that and I've got it at a bit of an angle, can you sort of see that angle there? That's sort of the angle that you want it to be sitting at. And then I'm just smoothing it over. So that piece is good to go. You can come back and sand a little bit on the edges if you need to. So later when it's dry, if you need to tidy it up, you can sand it a little bit. You can also use a little popsicle stick to straighten the edge onto the glass if you need to, if you found that it got a bit ragged, you can just tap it and straighten that edge. So I'll pick that up and show you. So hopefully you can see here where I haven't done it, and then you can see where I've just replaced it up here and along that corner. And this is some of the original putty here. So when this dries, you'll be able to, like I said, sand a little bit if you need to, and paint over it. Okay, so that was just a quick little video. Hope you find it useful. See you next time.